Yesterday, your business missed a phone call. That call was worth $360. The week before, you missed 12 more. That was $3,600 walking out the door every day. And that is why I'm here today, to show you how that works and what we're able to do with Lovable to be able to produce a new system to answer missed calls for you quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. As you can see here, we are now on the Lovable home screen. All you have to do is sign up for Lovable. It's about $20 a month, or use the free credits when you first join. So we'll go to Lovable, we'll prompt it saying, I want to build a missed callback system like I have generically focused on. You'll see right here, you'll have either a plan or build. I recommend clicking plan. And then from there, if you still have problems, all you need to do is go over to Claude, ChatGPT, anything else you're paying for, any free version like Grok, and prompt it, ask a question saying, hey, I want to build a missed callback system with Lovable. And I want a prompt to enter into Lovable so that it gets it right the first time, so that I can structure my plan accordingly, that it can be right due diligently, and find out what I need. So here is what you need. All you need is Lovable. Number two, all you need is Twilio. When Hatch and Podium come to you saying, hey, we're going to build you a system for $2,000 a month, $7,000 implementation fee, you go to Podium and you tell them no more. All you have to do is go to Twilio, start a free account, get your phone number, and get your API, application program interface. Once you go to your home screen, it is simple. It is right there. You copy and paste that information. You go back to Lovable, you enter that information in, and you have starting your process already with the foundation of building out this overall repository to allow you to answer missed calls back. Now, what I've done today is I've already built that. I went into Lovable, prompted it, started with Claude, started with ChatGPT, asking, hey, help me build a missed callback system for my business so that when people call me, I immediately text them right away saying, hey, I'm sorry I missed your call. Here's the booking link. We need an overall answer those dialogue with questions, and to be able to set up a time so that we can go through our overall pricing for HVAC, property, anything else. This is why it's beautiful. It's Lovable, took care of everything. The website, so that people have an area to drive to, so they have efficiency, and you can publish that website immediately if you're done. Number two, all I needed to do was tell it what I wanted, right? Missed call comes in, instantly a text is sent out to them saying, hey, book a link within seconds, appointment booked. If you are a small to medium business and you're not answering some phone calls, this is the perfect system for you. I built this as a SaaS, so software as a service, but you can build this for your company at any point in time, right? So you'll see Lovable will have the information and dialogue of everything I prompted it over and over and over, right? Very simple, simplified, easy to use, right? Now, Lovable has so many cool features in it that allow you to win this better than Hatch, better than Podium. All you need to do is go into something called Cloud on the top here, and that's going to allow you to see what it's built. Again, all I did is prompt and tell it what I want from its callback system. Very simple, very dialogue, right? It built a database using Supabase, which means it's a database of information already for you that you don't have to go to a database engineer to hire. It's done for you. Number two, it has a user sign. Who signed up, why they signed up, and you can actually contact them from here using Resend APIs, which is free sending of information or dialogue, or you can use your domain and send emails from that as well. And it's the storage information. And here's most importantly, the secrets. So you went to Twilio, sign up for that free account. All you need to do now is get that API key, which is SID, as you can see. And then all you need to do is get the token, which is the private information. Enter that information here. Now it is something that it's called connectors from Lovable. It'll automatically connect it. So that phone number and that information is now in this system. You can make this live with a voice agent, which is really simple to do. You can make it overall efficient with other tools and catalogs. And I'll show you how simple that really is. One, go to Call Capture Pro on the top, whatever you name it, and you will see something called connectors. You click on it, it pulls up a screen with all the connectors in Lovable. I'm a level 4 certified in Lovable, so I've used this a lot for many projects. So I have Lovable for certain things, and it's getting easier and easier to use every day. That's why there's an 100 billion in AR bar, right? So you can see Resend APIs for email. We have the cloud, the backup. That more or less means everything in the database, everything's being run by Gemini, and it's allowing you to use it for free through Lovable, right? Number two is ElevenLabs, right? This is a voice agent built into your system. You want to use different voices? You want it to call it actually speak to a voice agent itself? You enable it right from connectors, and it works. Very simple, very close. And then lastly, phone number, API key, everything is done for you, connected and right. So this is what I'm going to tell you from right. All you need to do is follow this process. Go to Lovable, use the free prompt it in plan. Ashton, I want to build a system for my company and I want to do it quickly and efficiently. What do you need from me? What can I do to build this out? Right. Number two, once it's built out, all you need to do is go into cloud and connect. Add the connectors that you need, such as Twilio, which is number one and the only one you will need for this, by the way. Add those secret keys. It's going to take care of everything else for you on the overall side of things. It's going to give you an edge function, which allows you to reach out to people with real analytics and databases and follow-ups. It's going to give you the secret information, and it's going to give you all that you need to make this quick and efficient. So here is the beautiful part about the last thing I'm going to tell you is here is what can happen with this system. I asked Lovable to build it. It not only built it for me from the front end, but the back end. Here's calls that I've actually been followed up on, responded on, booked, closed, and new opponents responded. 47 missed calls that I have not had. 42 of those have been leads created through this system. This is what I mean by how conversationally easy it is to go ahead and set up your system for you with Lovable, with Twilio, and continue down that road. If you need help, I'm here. But this is what I mean with AI, new leverage of technology. Tell Hatch, tell Podium, anyone else, never. This system can be run for $50 a month and save you tons of money in implementation and fees. That's why I'm here to help. John Pfeiffer. Help if you need this video and step-by-step creation as I've created this. Thanks and add